In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add live chat to Squarespace in just 5 minutes. We live in an era where instant communication can significantly enhance customer experience on any website. By integrating live chat into your Squarespace site, you're not only stepping up your customer service game, but also opening a direct line of communication with your visitors. Whether you run a blog, an online store, or a portfolio site, adding a live chat feature can be a game changer for your business or personal brand. Let's dive right in and get your Squarespace site equipped with a live chat function. The first thing you want to do is navigate to Squarespace's official website. This is where you'll start the process by logging into your Squarespace account. Upon reaching the Squarespace homepage, look for the login button and click on it. You'll be presented with various methods to sign into your account. To make things simple, we'll continue with Google. So click on Continue with Google and select the Google account you wish to use. This step conveniently links your Google account with Squarespace, streamlining the login process. Once you're logged in, your next step is to go directly to your website's dashboard. You can do this by clicking on the specific website you want to add live chat to if you have multiple sites under your account. Look for the title or thumbnail image that represents your website and click on it. When you're in your site's dashboard, navigate to the Settings menu. This is the control panel for all the back-end adjustments you can make to your Squarespace site. Inside Settings, you're looking for an option labeled Third-Party Tools. This is where Squarespace allows you to integrate various external services and tools, live chat included, into your website. In the Third-Party Tools section, you'll find a subsection called Extensions. Think of extensions as plugins or add-ons that augment your Squarespace site's functionality. Here is where Squarespace curates a list of vetted external services that seamlessly integrate with your site. Once in the extensions area, you'll notice a search bar at the top. Here you're going to type in live chat and press enter. This simple search will bring up different live chat service options available for integration with Squarespace. Among the search results, you'll see an option simply labeled live chat. This is one of the most popular live chat services and the one we'll focus on today for integrating into your site. Click on live chat to proceed to the next step. In live chat's listing, you'll notice a connect button. This is your key to integrating live chat with your site. Click on connect and you'll be taken to a permissions page. Here you are essentially granting live chat access to certain aspects of your Squarespace site so it can function properly. On the permissions page, you will see an Allow button. Click on this to finalize the connection between Squarespace and live chat. This action gives live chat the green light to operate on your site, enabling you to start engaging with your site's visitors in real time. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a live chat feature to your Squarespace website. You're now all set to offer real-time support, boost engagement, and provide an enhanced user experience for your visitors. Remember, engaging with your visitors through live chat can significantly boost conversions and help in building a loyal customer base. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more ways to enhance your Squarespace site.